Now, Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf founder and jailed former Prime Minister Imran Khan has alleged that the army chief, General عاصم Munir, was directly responsible for the imprisonment of his wife, Bishri Bibi. The 49-year-old Bishri Bibi was convicted in a corruption case as well as in the case of illegal marriage with 71-year-old Khan. She is currently held in detention at their Banigala residence in the suburbs of Islamabad. Khan alleged that Pakistan's Army Chief General عاصم Munir is directly involved in the sentence awarded to Bishri Bibi. He added that the judge who convicted her said that he was forced to make the decision. Khan has now threatened the Army Chief. He said, and I'm quoting, "If anything happens to my wife, I will not leave عاصم Munir. I will not leave عاصم Munir as long as I am alive. I will expose his unconstitutional and illegal steps." Unquote. Khan further said that there was a law of the jungle in the country and all was being done by the king of the jungle, referring to Nawaz Sharif. He also said that PTI was being stopped from contesting in the by-elections. So far, the army has not responded to the serious allegations. Just a day before, Bishri Bibi submitted a petition to the Islamabad High Court in which she said that she was poisoned through food in prison and has serious concerns and reservations about the food being provided to her in jail. The petition was, however, dismissed by the court. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.